Go, yes, I did. Yes, I did. He said that she hung up with Tracy, and I thought that he did. Go, I cut him. Go, yes, I did. Don't you see him on the phone? Don't interrupt. Bro. Girl, I have to call you back. Welcome to King Burger. Welcome to your way, but don't get crazy. Okay. Anyways, like I was saying, before this girl was all up in my attitude, like for reals. Can I have a number 7 with milkshakes and those Oreos and stuff? You know Oreos, right? Those like black. Yes, I know what Oreos is. You ain't gotta tell me twice. You know what? The little attitude that you got going on, I don't like at all. Not at all. So, Cardi, get this fool up out of here. I don't want to see her ugly face. You know what? You just too ugly for me. I can't even picture you. Oh, my God. Next. Welcome to King Burger, where we can do it your way, but don't get crazy. Can I have a number 7 with no cheese, no lettuce, and no tomato? Dang, anything else? I got a complicated order. Let me get a number 7, no cheese, no lettuce, and no tomato. Excuse me? What? It changed my mind about the cheese. I want some cheese now. Also, how can you tell me that before when I was trying to put in your order? I tried. Don't get out on me, son. No, do not get out on me. So, Cardi, this dude needs to go. Get up out of here. I don't want to see your ugly face again. Don't come back here. Cardi. Get this fool up out of here, man. You better watch yourself. Walk out. The heck? Oh, sorry.
Dwayne.
Oh, hey, Dwayne. Hey, Bon Queen. I know you come here. Yeah, ain't no house arrest no more. Oh, word? So what you want on the boo? Let me get number 3, but instead of fries, let me get supersized onion rings. Oh, that's what you want? I know what I want. Hey. Let me put in your order, boo. Hello, Mike is a queen. Now listen to me sing. He want number 3, supersized onion ring. He'll walk out the house with no organ breast on, but he got 2 strikes, so don't get his order wrong. That's what you know. That's what I do. So next time, you best to recognize, fool. Put your face in it.
No!
Julia!
No, I look so bad.
Julia, come on. Julia, come on, please. I just did all that. You have to.
Okay.
You have
Say
to.
goodbye.
No.
Say
no,
goodbye.
You have to. I'm